In March of 1992, Senior Alfonso Lopez carried his .38 caliber gun with 5 bullets to Edison High School in San Antonio, Texas. He was charged with the violation of state law with possession of a firearm on school premises. The next day, the state charges were dropped, and he was charged with Federal Criminal Statute, the Gun-Free School Zones Act of 1990.
Hey, go ahead.
Dude, are you crazy? That's a gun. Why would you bring a gun to school? Alfonso Lopez. He's a 12th grader.
Yeah.
He's got a gun.
Alfonso Lopez?
Alfonso Lopez. He's a 12th grader. He's got a gun.
You're sure about this?
I'm sure about it.
Okay. Thank you. Actually, I received an anonymous tip that you might be carrying a concealed weapon on campus here. And you do know that is illegal, don't you?
Yeah.
All right. Do you have anything on you right now?
No.
You sure about that?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I do have reasonable suspicion, and in order to keep the school a safe place, I'm going to have to search you. So you need to stand up so I can search you to make sure you don't have anything on you.
I do have a gun.
You gotta keep your hands where I can see them. Where is the gun?
In my sweater.
All right. I'm going to get it. Alfonso, taking the gun to school was a very bad decision. And now you need to live with those consequences. Under Texas state law, I need to have you arrested. Please stand up and put your hands behind your back. Is this Alfonso?
Yes.
Alfonso, as of today, the Texas state charges against you have been dropped. So, but however, unfortunately, you're now charged with violating the federal statute of the Gun-Free School Zone Act of 1990, which forbids any individual from knowingly to possess a firearm at a place that he knows is a school zone.
Your Honor, I do not. I have reason to believe that I am not guilty of being charged this because I had no intentions of any harm and I was not pointing or flashing this weapon.
To convict Alfonso Lopez is to exceed the Commerce Clause, which describes the enumerated powers under the Constitution. This power is limited and does not extend so far as to authorize the regulation of carrying handguns of an aggregate effect.
Your Honor, the adverse effect of violent crime in school zones degrade the quality of education and significantly affect interstate commerce. There is a growing importance of education in the job market, and since the Commerce Clause includes the power to regulate local activities so long as those significantly affect interstate commerce. In effect, there is ample congressional power under the Commerce Clause to regulate the possession of firearms in school.
The Supreme Court has ruled in a 5-4 decision that the act, which claimed to draw authority from the federal government's power to regulate interstate commerce, overstepped the boundaries of that power and was unconstitutional. To accept the argument that firearms in schools could result in violent crimes and harm to the educational environment of students and therefore indirectly harm the national economy would be to give Congress a general police power of the sort retained by the states and would eliminate the distinction between national and local.